this video, we're looking at how to install Access Server on a Linux machine. First, you need to log into your Access Server portal like I'm doing it right now. Once logged in, you can click on Deploy Access Server in the middle of the page or click on Install Access Server from the menu on the left. You can see that there are multiple options to deploy your Access Server on cloud providers or containers and virtual machines. But we're talking about Linux operating system. So towards the bottom of the page, you can see the command that you need to run on your Linux machine. So I'm going to copy this command and then I'm going to connect to my machine. Make a note that you need to run this command as a root. So I'm going to paste that command here and run it. This is going to take a few minutes. So I'm going to stop here and fast forward through this part and we'll come back when it's done. Okay, our installation is completed. As you can see, it says successful. If you look at here, we can see some information. We need these info here. First, we can see the admin UI address, client UI address, also the account that we need to log in, the OpenVPN, and the temporary password. So we need to make a note of all these information. Keep in mind that sometimes here it shows the private IP address of your machine. But if you're trying to access it from outside, then you need to use your public IP address. I'm going to make a note of these and I'm going to copy my temporary password here. Now let's open a browser and we're going to log into our admin web UI for the first time. I'm going to type my admin UI address here and hit enter. This is a fresh install. As you can see, the Access Server is using a self-signed certificate because we don't have a SSL certificate installed yet. So I'm going to click on Advanced and bypass this message. And here we go. We're at the admin login. So we're going to log in with the with our username and the temporary password that we copied. Here we go. Click on Sign in. First time when we log into the Access Server, we need to accept the license agreement. So click on Agree. And here we go. This is how we install the Access Server on a Linux machine. For more information, you can visit our website, openvpn.net. Documentations and tutorials are located on the Resources tab.